what's up guys, it's Vinology and today we'll compare the new Micromax in Note 1 against the Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Is Micromax offering a better choice compared to Realme? Well, only one way to find out. Let's talk about the availability. The Micromax in Note 1 was announced on 3rd November and is due to release by 24th November, while the Realme Narzo 20 Pro was released on 25th September and is available to buy right now. Both the Micromax in Note 1 and Realme Narzo 20 Pro support 3 bands with the GSM, HSPA and LTE. There is a bit of a difference in the thickness here, as the Micromax in Note 1 is 8.9mm thick while the Realme Narzo 20 Pro is 9.4mm thick. It's the opposite in the weight though, as the Micromax weighs 196 grams while the Realme weighs 181 grams. Talking about the displays, the Micromax in Note 1 has a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display, while the Realme Narzo 20 Pro has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. Both the devices have the same resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Both the devices have 60Hz displays with 395 pixels per inch and 405 pixels per inch respectively, with no HDR support for either of them. Performance-wise, the MediaTek Helio G95 in the Realme Narzo 20 Pro edges out against the MediaTek Helio G85 in the Micromax in Note 1. However, the Mali G52 GPU is clocked 50 MHz higher than the Mali G76 GPU. In the benchmarks though, the Helio G95 absolutely destroys the Helio G85. For software, Micromax uses stock Android 10 while Realme uses Realme UI on top of Android 10. Micromax in Note 1 has two variants with a 4GB 64GB and a 4GB 128GB combination. Realme Narzo 20 Pro 2 has two variants with a 6GB 64GB and an 8GB 128GB combination. Micromax in Note 1 has eMMC 5.1 storage speed, while Realme Narzo 20 Pro has UFS 2.1 storage speed. Both the devices have dedicated expansion slot via microSD. Micromax in Note 1 has a quad camera setup at the back with a 14MP main camera, a 5MP ultra wide, a 2MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. Realme Narzo 20 Pro 2 on the other hand has a quad camera setup at the back with a 14MP main camera, an 8MP ultra wide, a 2MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. Micromax in Note 1 can shoot 1080p at 30fps. However, Realme Narzo 20 Pro can shoot 4K at 30fps and 1080p at 30 and 60fps. Both the Micromax in Note 1 and Realme Narzo 20 Pro have a single 16MP cameras in the front. In the video section though, both the devices can shoot only 1080p at 30fps. Micromax in Note 1 has a huge 5000 mAh battery, while the Realme Narzo 20 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery. Micromax can charge at 18 watts, while Realme can charge really fast at 65 watts. Micromax in Note 1 has additional features like the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.0, reverse charging, USB 2.0 Type-C port with OTT support, and various sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Realme Narzo 20 Pro 2 has additional features like the side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.0, super tight charging, USB 2.0 Type-C port with OTT support, and various sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Micromax in Note 1 has two variants with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage priced at 10,999 INR, while the 4GB RAM and 128GB storage priced at 12,499 INR. Realme Narzo 20 Pro 2 has two variants with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage priced at 13,999 INR, and the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage is priced at 15,999 INR. Compared to Realme Narzo 20 Pro, Micromax in Note 1 looks like it lost the battle here. Realme's offering for just 2K more is a better deal and a better phone. It's faster, it has really fast charging, can shoot better videos with high resolution and better RAM options to choose from. Realme Narzo 20 Pro is the one I would go for. So that's it guys, that was the on-paper specifications comparison for the Micromax in Note 1 and Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Let us know in the comments below about what you think about either of the phones, and also like the video if you think it deserves one, and feel free to subscribe so that you never miss any videos in the future. Until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.